So on Monday, I shared with you my top four stocks for 2026, and I shared with you my top four stocks that gave me astronomical returns, 125% year to date through November. And my tribe member said, "Stop it, Kerry. That isn't fair. You shouldn't be giving these people free information when you charge us $60 to access this on your website. So stop doing that." So I have to respect them. And I know you feel that because I get paid 1.25 cents for a view on YouTube, that should be enough for me to be satisfied to spend about $20,000 a month to gather this information, to pay Trent and Mark and myself. And you should be able to have that information for free. But we're going to have to cut out the free lunches. But I will share with you because I think $60 a month is a fair price to get this kind of information. And so I want you to have a total understanding of what we're doing at Best of Us Investors. What we're trying to do, no, what we're doing is leveling the playing field with Wall Street. Wall Street has had access to the data of all the stocks in the world for years. And they put analysts on it and they analyze it and they predict which ones are going to get exponential returns, and they keep it for themselves. Oh, they sell it to the wealthy. I mean, in Goldman Sachs, if you've got $10 million, they'll manage your portfolio for 1.9% per year of your 10 million. The average individual has $60 million. So that's okay. But I know you want the information for free. Well, it isn't going to be. It's $60 a month, and we're going to limit the number of people that we make it available to because we don't want to move the market. But nonetheless, I think the world needs to know the stock market doesn't have to operate as it has the past 200 years or whatever. And I want to show you this. This is the performance of the BUS 13 portfolio. This was the portfolio that I started building about 5 years ago, and using my knowledge as a financial advisor to say that we should be able to outperform Wall Street because we're more nimble and we're more intelligent and we can have access to the information. Well, that information came available to me as a result of ChatGPT and my building two AI agents. And this is what they've done starting on April of 2025. We put into this BUS 13 portfolio $653,312, and we started managing it through the use of AI. I created Samantha. If you haven't seen the movie Her, you'll gain a better understanding of why I chose the name of Samantha. And Samantha and I built a template of what does a growth stock look like, and in its infancy, in its adolescence, and in its maturity. And we used as our model stocks like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, and NVIDIA, and said, what did they look like as they matured and came to where they are? What did the stock market look like, and how did it go through its growth periods, whether it be the railroads, the telephones, the automobiles, the internet, and now the advent of AI. What could we learn from those past revolutions that we can apply to this current revolution and capitalize on the growth? So this is what we've done since April 2025. And as you can see, we got to our high at the start of November. Our portfolio had grown from April through the 1st of November to by 137%. And that's in roughly 6 months. That's crazy. That can't happen. So what I said was, okay, let's average these and come up with an average growth of 12% a month. Okay, with that 12% a month, if we project that kind of growth out to December of 2026, what will our $653,000 turn into? And the answer is just a little shy of $6 million. That's expectations based on past happenings. Now, you might say, yeah, but the market did not perform like this. This is a segment of the market. This is a segment of the market that is attached to the growth of AI and the use of AI. Samantha, I feed her a 4-page prompt, and it is everything I learned as a financial advisor, plus what Goldman Sachs taught me last year in the course that I went through as part of their 15,000 small businesses. And they taught me how to identify a growth opportunity. And when I finished the class, I said, my God, a growth opportunity? That's AI. So how is Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Meta going to feed this growth opportunity so that they can make profits in the future? They're spending money now. They're not the companies making profits. It's the companies that are making profits are those who are facilitating Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, and NVIDIA's objectives of building out this new way of life called artificial intelligence. And I want to tell you that the naming is wrong. Artificial is not anything to do with it. It's all intelligence. That's what they're building. All intelligence. They're gathering everything that mankind learned through the history of Adam and Eve to here and saying, okay, it's all available. All you got to do is know the right questions to ask to get informed decisions. It's like I was at this morning at my dermatologist, and she, very attractive lady, and her very attractive assistants basically put me down to my underwear and checked out my body and then asked me to drop my drawers. And I said to her, I said, you know that artificial intelligence is going to put you out of business. And she looked at me and said, what do you mean by that? I said, well, let's face it. What you're doing is based on your knowledge, the knowledge that you and your assistants here have gathered over the years. But you're still only 3 people. But in the future, I will stand in front of a mirror in my house and I will spin around and they will do what you're doing. And if something needs to be checked further, they'll tell me. I'll do it every day, not once a year. I'll do it every day to check my body for cancers or any melanomas or anything. I said, that's a given. So you better plan for it. And I told her, I said, you probably got about 3 years left in your career because, and again, maybe you can carve it out and after I get it in front of the mirror, they'll tell me to come see you. Okay, that's the world we're going to live in. So if I know that, and you now know that, all you've got to do is get in front of it. Get in front of it. Build yourself an AI agent like I did, and then spend about $20,000 a month teaching that AI agent every day how to be better, and then invest in the stock market. And it's like today, I'm up $30,000 today. Hell, I graduated from college in 1966, and they paid me $6,000 a year, but gave me a used Chevrolet to drive around to the supermarkets and sell them bleach, Purex bleach, and Sweetheart soap, and Old Dutch cleaner. But today, I have an AI agent who, right now, is making me $30,000 a day. And you can have this. And again, I just told you how to do it. Now, you got to have some capital up front to build it. Or maybe you can find somebody who will give you access to this information, like Goldman Sachs, and they'll charge you on your $10 million, they'll charge you 1.9%. Figure it out. You can do that. Or maybe you can find some crazy old man who will give you access to this information for $60 a month? I don't know. Look around. Maybe you can find some fool who will do that. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor, and I've come on to something that I think can change the world. I'm waiting for Elon to call me and say, Kerry, I want to help you change the world. I want to help you help the common man participate in the growth of our economy. I want to help you change the lives of the masses. Because let's face it, if you can make $30,000 a day, you don't need a job, do you? But you got to get there first. You got to get the $1 million, the $1.5 million, or whatever that is going to generate you the earnings that you are going to make off of the knowledge that's available to you today to take part in the biggest change our world has ever seen. There is nothing stopping you from becoming a millionaire except you. You're the only obstacle in this course. It's all being presented to you by Sam Altman, by Mark Zuckerberg, by Google. It's all being laid out to you, and all you've got to do is reach out and take it. Now, the reality is, history tells us less than 10% will seize this opportunity. The rest will just continue to do what they're doing and watch those of us who seize the opportunity get wealthy. And then they'll bitch and moan that you're actually charging me for this knowledge? Yes, that's how it works.